Welcome to Beyerdynamic Studios. In this video, we'll learn how to use the Unite system with multiple speakers. For the use of up to 3 simultaneous speakers in a group, both the body pack transmitter and the handheld transmitter can be configured as so-called sub-masters. A sub-master establishes a permanent voice channel to the master. In addition to the master, a maximum of 2 additional speakers are then possible in a group. There are 3 possibilities: 1 master and 2 RPTs, 1 master and 2 sub-masters, or 1 master, 1 sub-master, and 1 RPT. To use a body pack transmitter or handheld transmitter as sub-master, take the following steps. Open the menu and select System. Then, select the sub-item, Device Mode. Now change the selection from Master to Sub-Master and confirm the entry with the OK button. The device now switches itself off automatically. Switch the device on again, and the device will be reconfigured as a sub-master. This process takes about 10 seconds. The sub-master mode has its own factory setting, which is the same as in master mode. Group ID is 256, and group name is Unite. In the sub-master mode, the device can be coupled like a receiver, either via the pairing function in the charger or via the dynamic channel search in the open group ID area. To establish a two-way connection between a sub-master and a master device, both devices must be switched on. The sub-master must be within the reception range of the master. The dynamic search allows the sub-master to connect flexibly to a master without having to enter the channel name manually. This requires the use of the open group ID range 150 to 256. To connect, press one of the function buttons, and when prompted with the question "Scan for channels," select Yes. You will now get a list of master devices in the selected group ID range in their immediate vicinity. Use the function buttons to select the desired channel and confirm it with the OK button. Once the connection is established, the master and sub-master communicate bidirectionally on an exclusive channel. On both devices, the onboard microphone can be individually muted by pressing the mute button. The master device can also be used to set which other devices can hear the signal of the sub-master in addition to the master device. To do this, select Audio Routing under Talkback in the menu, and then the sub-item Sub-Masters. There are 3 options available. The signals of the sub-masters can be configured so that they can be heard either by the entire group, all, only by the master, or by the master and the sub-master devices, master and sub-masters. These settings can be used for mobile interpreting solutions, for example. Thanks for watching, and please have a look at the rest of our videos about Unite.